started as a dream. He would say how much you mean to him. Yeah, yeah, yeah. His words would whisper in your heart. Smiles that last right from the start, or so it seems. Baby, you paint these pictures in your head. Perfect love is what he said. But the cracks have turned to broken pieces. And slowly things begin to change. It's hard for you to feel the same. Now this love has left you lost and lonely. You got your bright blue eyes on me. When I hold you, you believe. Then maybe one day you will see. Oh, that you're beautiful. Oh, that you're beautiful. Beautiful to me.
Just a makeup, it makes sense to break up and escape the loop. The way he leaves you in a state broken and bruised. You tell your mates that he's great, they read the clue. It's obvious from your face and the signs it shows that you're better than this, but still take the blows. A broken nose and black eyes that were once blue. Fooling yourself into thinking that he loves you. He's your affection, only when you're drying your tears right from perfection. A love that's been dying for years, only connections is fist and the anger he bears. He break it down so much and then convince he cares. But you can do better than that, and that's the truth. Real talk way better than facts. Don't ever let no man put his hands on you.